In the vastness of the Pacific Ocean, the majestic Andes Mountains, and Antarctica lies a territory shaped by the power of nature, where the mighty Humboldt Current meets the continent's highest mountains. Deserts, valleys, fjords, temperate rainforests, and if we extend its coasts, we'd circle the globe twice. Chile is a treasure of biodiversity. This corner of the world harbors a unique natural wealth, with endemic species playing a crucial role in the planet's health. How do we protect it? Chile Nature Fund is called to be the guardian of this natural capital. Contributing to its management is not just a challenge and a contribution for Chile, but for the planet. Recognized as a world destination for nature tourism, Chile has been a model in transitioning to a more environmentally friendly energy model. Now it must lead in protecting its most precious asset, nature. This fund is the tool Chile has defined for conservation financing. Its development and existence were made possible by the will of various governments and stakeholders, with a long-term public-private vision to finance the restoration and conservation of natural heritage, sustainability, with a programmatic and integrated approach to the challenges facing our planet. Chile Nature Fund is inspired by successful financing models that have transformed biodiversity conservation in countries like Costa Rica, Brazil, and Mexico, putting nature at the center of their development. Now it's Chile's opportunity to advance on this path. The challenge is clear. Internationally recognized for its commitment to sustainable development, Chile now has the opportunity to lead in the fight against climate change and biodiversity loss. Together we can protect this invaluable natural capital. Chile Nature Fund, because nature is the legacy.